Today I'm going to show you how to you add tunnel curtain to machine. If you the old house you have the one curtain machine and you can upgrade to second. If you put the tunnel door, there need to be two machines for tunnel curtain. So it's very easy to simple. You can add yourself in your Rotem tunnel curtain 1 to tunnel curtain 2 and how could set up in your computer. See, my computer show tunnel 1. It's very simple and easy. Go to your menu, go to installation, relay layout, here's that one, and you can see which relay your card is in for the second cutter machine. Mine is 29 and 30. So you're gonna go to relay 29 and 30. C29 is none. You can hit enter and you can find tunnel open 1, .29 is open. You can put in open. See, the automatic get. I have one already have it. There is 8 tunnel 2. It's the same thing. You can go to down number 30. Enter and follow same procedure. Tunnel close. Tunnel 1 close. Go back to your system. You can see they can show you tunnel 1 and tunnel 2. Very simple and easy. Thank you and have a nice day.